Hi, I'm Whitney Sudler-Smith. I'm the executive producer and sometimes star of the hit show Southern Charm. And welcome to my home in Charleston, South Carolina. This is the Isaac Jenkins Michael House, built by British artisans, and it's on the National Historic Registry, being one of the greatest houses in America. There's so much I want to show you. Let's go inside. Here we are in the entryway. And if you look at the floors, it is modeled after the grand palais that our decorator, Mary Bowata, copied. And we have very high ceilings, chinoiserie cabinet, 18th century, made in England. And these chairs are also 18th century, not the most stable or sturdy of chairs, but beautiful nonetheless. Here we're going into the double drawing room. This is the kind of pièce de résistance of our decorator, Mary Bowata, who combined comfort and style with like an English country aesthetic. The color here is kind of a Mary Bowata staple, and it's called apple green. When we bought the house, we had to restore and renovate the crown molding, so we brought artisans in who had to literally recreate this crown molding on the ceiling. It's a work of art, for sure. So the other side of the double parlor, you see lots of chinoiserie. Windows are double paned, original to the house. These are kind of French doors. Very secure if you want to break in. We've got some tchotchkes, we got some pops of color. The idea is to imbue a sense of style and understated comfort. This is the dining room, obviously. And if you look at these panels, this is called Zuber wallpaper. These were painted and hand done in the 1830s. The only other set is in the White House. So this is the surrender of the Brits, and then picture of our pug that the artist who had to assemble this and put these plates on painted on there. My great grandfather plotted with General George Washington the defeat of Cornwallis. So this has special relevance to us. Anyway, it's beautiful wallpaper, and if you can see, it kind of surrounds the whole room. This is an 18th century Waterford chandelier, and these frogs are also 18th century. There are a lot of copies of them. But yeah, now this is one of the more elegant rooms of the house, and something we're very proud of. So you can see why I love to hang out here. You feel like you're in a Greek temple. These incredible Corinthian columns. These pillows were made from a whole tree trunk, and the artisans, people know how to do that, no longer exist. So it's kind of a rare feat of architecture. These are formal boxwood gardens, originally planted in 1853. So we still have the same style of design. It's hard to build pools in Charleston these days as they have to be grandfathered in. This was built in the 80s. So we're lucky that we have a house with a pool, but not many houses in Charleston have pools because they don't allow them. So this is my cottage office, with a bar down here and an office upstairs. I wanted something kind of dark and moody, like a cool speakeasy, but comfortable. These archways, inspired by Klimt, are a great contrast, kind of the darker areas of the rest of the space. I do come here, I invite friends here and I have drinks, we hang out, and I just enjoy coming here. So this is the upstairs office. This is, I think, one of the cooler rooms in the universe. I'm a huge fan of Elvis, and this is a Gibson recreation of the Elvis J200, which he used on stage. This is the Aero-Saarinen chair for Noel, called the Womb chair, and this is from the 50s. This chair is iconic, and I love it. So the desk, this is where I work most of the time, but also it's where I shred my heavy metal. Thank you very much. thank you so much for joining me on this incredible tour. And I'm very proud to be an owner and a curator and a lover and a fighter of this house. Thank you, and I'll see you again.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.